Hey everyone, welcome back to Nature Travel Boy TV. Today, I'm taking you to one of the most stunning natural wonders in Iceland, actually, two of them. We're here at Hraunfossar and Barnafoss waterfalls in the Borgarfjörður region, and trust me, these waterfalls are unlike anything you've ever seen. Iceland is known for its otherworldly landscapes and breathtaking natural wonders, and two of its most mesmerizing waterfalls are Hraunfossar and Barnafossar. Located in the western part of the country in the Borgarfjörður district, these two waterfalls offer visitors a unique experience with their distinct features, geological significance, and captivating beauty. Hraunfossar, the lava falls. Hraunfossar, which translates to lava falls, is unlike any other waterfall in Iceland. Instead of a singular, towering cascade, Hraunfossar consists of numerous small streams of water that flow out of a lava field called Hallmundarhraun. This lava field was formed by volcanic eruptions from the nearby Langjökull glacier, Iceland's second largest glacier. The water in Hraunfossar doesn't fall directly from a cliff but rather trickles through the porous lava rock, creating a series of delicate and enchanting waterfalls that stretch over 900 meters along the Hvítá River. The interplay between the black lava rocks and the crystal clear water, which ranges from deep blue to milky white depending on the time of year and light conditions, makes Hraunfossar a photographer's paradise. The surrounding landscape of moss-covered lava fields and forests enhances the serene beauty of this natural wonder. Barnafoss, the Children's Falls and the tragic legend. Just a short distance upstream from Hraunfossar is Barnafoss, a waterfall with a much more dramatic appearance. Unlike the wide and gentle streams of Hraunfossar, Barnafoss, which translates to Children's Falls, is a fierce, narrow waterfall that surges through a rocky gorge, creating turbulent whitewater rapids. The water in Barnafoss flows through a natural arch that was once a stone bridge, adding to its wild and powerful allure. The name Barnafoss comes from a tragic Icelandic legend. According to the story, two children from a nearby farm were crossing the natural stone bridge when they lost their balance and fell into the raging waters, drowning in the process. Their grieving mother is said to have cursed the bridge, vowing that no one would ever cross it again. Soon after, the stone bridge collapsed, leaving behind the violent rapids we see today. A perfect contrast of nature. What makes Hraunfossar and Barnafossar so fascinating is the striking contrast between them. Hraunfossar's gentle, delicate flow represents the quiet beauty of nature, while Barnafossar's wild, untamed power evokes the raw force of Iceland's volcanic landscape. Despite their differences, both waterfalls are connected by the Hvítá River, which flows from Langjökull glacier and plays a central role in shaping the landscapes of the region. Visitors can explore the waterfalls by walking along the well-maintained paths that offer several viewpoints. There's a pedestrian bridge that allows for close views of Barnafoss and panoramic shots of both waterfalls. How to get there? Hraunfossar and Barnafossar are easily accessible by car from Reykjavik, Iceland's capital. The drive takes about 1.5 to 2 hours along Route 1 and Route 50. Once you reach the waterfalls, there's a parking area, and the short walk to the viewpoints is suitable for visitors of all ages and abilities. Whether you're an avid nature lover, a photographer, or simply looking to experience Iceland's natural wonders, Hraunfossar and Barnafossar offer a captivating blend of beauty, power, and history. Together, these waterfalls showcase Iceland's geological diversity and the deep connection between its landscapes and folklore. A visit to Hraunfossar and Barnafossar is sure to leave a lasting impression on anyone fortunate enough to experience their magic. Let's go Nature Travel Boy.
I know a girl who's so fine, she's running laps around my heart. She's more than perfect, she's not the type to go play a part. She came and killed my whole life, and just like Mike Tyson, now I'm here seeing stars. I could take all of my time just trying to describe her, I don't know where to start. All my life I knew she's my baby, I can't hide it, making me crazy. Sometimes I close my eyes and dream about when we met in high school, and I've been trying to tell her this lately. She's more father rock in the 80s. I think about her when I sleep, like back when we were 17. Back when we were 17.
Dancing in the rain that night, oh man, we got so soaked. I can still remember your sweet taste. Campfires and starry nights and driving up the coast. I don't think I'll ever love again that way. Cheap sushi nights and those Ferris wheel rides. The light is still spinning around inside my head. You know it's you that lit the spark that's there inside. I just wish that I could live it all again. You're in my heart and soul. You turn those dark days into shimmering gold. I got a true north, always guiding me home. You're in my heart and soul. My heart and soul. Sometimes a memory will take you back in time, shake like an earthquake in your bones. I thought I'd buried us away in my mind, and different faces would replace you when you go. But I put the miles on these tires and on these eyes. Seems like these broken towns all look the same. And no gravel paths are cutting through the purple skies could ever carry me far enough away. You're in my heart and soul. You turn those dark days into shimmering gold. I got a true north, always guiding me home. You're in my heart and soul. My heart and soul. Sure of what will ever be, but you're always here with me. No, I'm not sure of what will ever be, but you're always here with me. You're in my heart and soul. You turn those dark days into shimmering gold. I got a true north, always guiding me home. You're in my heart and soul. My heart and soul. My heart and soul. My heart and soul.
Hanging around after last orders, still so far from home. It's like we're burning into embers, just a fire burns the cold world. As the days keep rolling on, we're living in hell again. But I still hold you in my heart when these days have been and gone. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. As time goes by, won't keep heading round in circles, never letting go, never letting go. As time goes by, won't always ending up the same. Crescent moons have all gone home. We're all fired up, we're tangled up, we're enmeshed to the point and messed up. As the days keep rolling on, we're living in hell again. I still hold you in my arms when these days have been and gone. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. As time goes by, don't we keep heading round in circles, never letting go, never letting go. As time goes by, don't we keep heading round in circles, never letting go, never letting go. Round in circles, never letting go, never letting go. Watch as it breaks down beside us. When we've risked everything for love, on the outside, always looking in, we'll still hold on to all we could have been, to all we could have been. Would you still take me for a fool if I let give it all away for you? So take me home, take me home. Ever been before. Those photographs that once took pride of place stand no more. How long till we try and make things last? Till we fall? Would you still